Hi, I'm Joy Carosa and this is Enjoy It Healthy, and today I'm going to do a quick video on juicing. I'm going to try to make it quick. Now there are tons of juicers out there. This one is like an ancient thing. It's 20 years old, but if you buy a good one, and you don't even have to buy one that's like $3,000. There are a couple good ones that are in like the couple $100 range. You buy a good machine and it will last you a long time. If you don't have a juicer, and you have a high-powered blender, you can use that too. A Vitamix, you put everything in there, and then you just need water and a nut milk bag, and you can use that too. In fact, this died a couple weeks ago, and my husband was able to fix it because he can like pretty much fix anything. And in the meanwhile, while it was flatlined, I was using my Vitamix, and it worked just fine. Okay. So a couple things. You want to try to pick vegetables that are organic. I mean, for the most part, the vegetable that I have to have in my juice is beets. I do 2 beets. I make a batch for a few days. This is enough for a few days, and I'm going to go through how I make it. I do a lot of research, my own research on cancer prevention, disease prevention. I know a lot of people with cancer. I have a lot of cancer in my family, so it's something that really interests me, and I want to eat very cleanly. And I recently came across a program that was a 10-part thing. His name is Chris Wark. I'll put the link below, but it's just got really good information regarding nutrition and all kinds of things for cancer prevention. Anyway, so this is sort of a take on what he likes to juice, and all things here I love. So beets is really important for me to add to my juice. I do 2 organic beets, and normally I do all the beet greens. I think I lopped this off the other day to have sauteed, so I sauteed it with garlic, which is delicious. I love beet greens. Organic apples, you want to choose as much as possible organic fruits and vegetables. If you ever look, hopefully you know about the Dirty Dozen list. I'll have a link to that below, but those are the fruits and vegetables that are sort of must-buy organic fruits and vegetables on that list, because there's a lot of pesticides that are required in order to have them grow if it's not organic. Okay. I do about, I have 6 organic carrots, 6 organic celery stalks, a lime. Lime is not on the Dirty Dozen list. I think this is organic, but it's hard to find organic citrus anyway. A couple big hunks of, and this is organic, ginger, and turmeric. I know, it looks so crazy. It looks just like ginger, but it's turmeric, and it's a root just like ginger, but loaded with good stuff. Now, if you don't have that, I have something to show you afterward. If you can't find turmeric, anyway, it's a really good thing to add. Now, Chris adds a clove of garlic, which I really like to do, but my husband hates it, so I leave it out, so that in hopes that he's gonna pour himself a glass of this juice. So I put these fruits and vegetables in a colander. I put it in the sink. I make a little concoction here of a little bit of vinegar to water, and in a spray bottle, spray it all, and with filtered water I rinse everything and scrub everything. So that's kind of where I am right now. I'm going to cut these into pieces that will nicely fit into my juicer, and I have a little discard bowl here for the little tops, and so I'm going to do that right now. Okay, so I have everything chopped up into pieces that will fit into this compartment here, and they are ready to go. Now, if you stay organized, this can be really simple. I'm going to get started. good workout too, all of that. But I did my whole bowl, and you can see how much juice I got. And I actually dilute it, mostly for my husband, and also it extends it a little bit more. And I fill it, I fill this glass jar, and then I have it for a couple days. So it's a little messy, and a couple key tricks. One, wear black or dark clothes, because that beet juice will stain. And also, clean this right away. Like, don't let it sit, don't let it dry, do not let it dry. If you clean that right away, then it's so much easier to clean. Okay, so here is this awesome juice. I mean, it's such a great thing to drink before a workout. Like, I love to drink this before I play tennis or go hiking or something. It just gives you such a boost of energy. It's amazing. Okay, so the only other couple things I wanted to add is I do, for a boost of vitamin C, this has a ton of vitamin C. It's an Indian gooseberry. It's called amla powder. It comes in organic powder form. I just put like a quarter teaspoon in there. It's kind of got a tart, bitter taste to it, but it's masked in here. So I whisk that in there. And the other thing I wanted to tell you, if you cannot find that turmeric root, I mean, Sprouts has it, Fry's has it, Safeway has it, but if you can't find it, because sometimes you can't find it, I use this doTERRA turmeric essential oil, and I just put 1 drop in there and mix it up, and it is really delicious. Oh, so again, it will stain your white shirt for sure. So cheers to good health, and keep watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this, and subscribe, hit the bell so you can get notified when I post other videos. And then stay tuned, because really soon, I'm so excited, I'm going to launch my new product line of ancient grain flour mixes, and I'm going to be doing a giveaway, and so please stay tuned for that. I am really excited about it. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.